Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT King Kong Mini 3, and today I will show you how we can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button, and once you have your boot options visible, hold power off. Once you do so, it will then change it to reboot to safe mode. You want to confirm it by selecting OK, and this will initiate reboot. Once the device boots back up, it will automatically boot into safe mode. Now that being said, safe mode is designed for troubleshooting your device, so if you don't have any kind of problems with your device, there is no reason to put it into this mode, as in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function, and any application that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled. Neither you nor the device can start it up. So it does limit the usability of your device by a little bit. As you can see, we have a little marking at the bottom. Now I do have a SIM card in here, so I'm going to confirm my PIN. And you can see on the second page, I have a bunch of applications which will not work in this mode. As you can see, they do become a little bit transparent. They're not, as for instance, you can see these apps. So they do look a little bit different. And if you try to open them up, it will give you a pop-up right here, app isn't available. This only extends to the safe mode. Once you obviously put the device back into normal mode, you can open up these applications. And that being said, to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold your power button once again, but this time around you're gonna simply tap on restart. The device will boot back up, and once it does, it automatically just goes back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.